Couponing 101, Facebook groups and various coupon databases. Who am I? Christine Pugh, Wellness and Health Promotion Services, Sexual Wellness Coordinator. I have over 20 plus years of couponing. I am also the SNAP advisor for food stamps. So if you're looking to apply for food stamps or need assistance, please contact me via email, christine.pugh@ucf.edu, or via phone 407-823-5841. Objectives: Coupon Lingo Review. What are Facebook groups? Suggested Facebook couponing groups. Coupon resources. Coupon Lingo A to Z is a couponing booklet that, if interested, I can send you the website. But it is abbreviation for commonly used words that you will need when corresponding via Facebook or any other internet groups about couponing, such as Instagram as well. So here's a quick review. You have BOGO, or B1 get G1 free. That means buy one, get one free. So instead of writing that word completely out, you would use the abbreviation for buy one, get one free. CRT, which is cash register tape, coupon that prints in the store, or IP, internet printable coupon. So you would not type these words out in the groups when corresponding with others. What are Facebook groups? Various groups you follow via your Facebook account, either by likes or ones that you have joined. These are some couponing groups that I suggest that you follow. For instance, Public Savings 101 is a very good resource. Other couponing resources are a great tool for finding the best deals and money saving resources are at the following: SouthernSavers.com, HipToSave.com, and Coupon Mom. SouthernSavers.com is a coupon database that helps you find manufactured coupons for various items before your purchase. So for instance, if you're looking to purchase laundry detergent such as Tide, if you go to this SouthernSavers.com and go to coupon database and type in Tide, it will list various resources where you can locate the Tide coupon. Either it can tell you that it's an IP, an instant printable, internet printable, or if it's located in your Sunday inserts, which are, again, Retail Me Not, RMN, Smart Source, SS, and PG, Procter & Gamble. HipToSave.com is another money-saving coupon resource that shares the hottest online deals, printable coupons, and promo codes to help you get the best deal. So if you're looking to make purchases via Amazon, you would use Hip to Save to get you the lowest price on that particular item. Also, Coupon Mom, a grocery coupon database that allows you to see if there is a coupon available before you make your grocery purchase. So it also has grocery deals, drugstore deals, and it has internet printable coupons as well. So those are some great resources. Any questions? If you do, please contact me via email at christine.pugh@ucf.edu or call me at 407-823-5841 to schedule a one-on-one appointment. And your next lesson: what are coupons and how to read them? Thank you very much.